Hello, Beez Bladers. Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. So I have 4 new knives from CJRB, and these are new versions of the Pyrite. I've already done several videos of the Pyrite, and at the end of this short video, I will have a link like up here, over here, right there, where you can go check out the perfect Pyrite project where you could get a lot of these really fancy ones. There's all kinds of different variations. You could get them in wood grain. You could get them with like an upgraded version with the bevel going all the way around the edges to add a little bit of texture and depth. These are the fancy ones with the fat carbon fiber inlay. But let's just show you right now for this video, just the 4 new ones that I have. First of all, this is the CJRB Pyrite with the green, the OD green G10, and it has very good texture. I wouldn't mind if it had a little more, but it is grippy. It works very well. This is what I would kind of consider a flagship knife for CJRB because it has absolutely blown up. It's gone crazy because it is such a lightweight, easy to use, everyday carry knife that pretty much everyone enjoys using because it is super lightweight. They have the 2 different blade shapes. They have the modified Wharncliffe, and then this was the very first one I ever got. This has the more typical drop point blade. It has the front forward choil for choking up. It's very comfortable. It has relatively good jipping. I wouldn't mind if the jipping was a little bit farther out and maybe a little more aggressive, but that's a me thing. And pretty much any color or any variation you want is gonna be out there because they went nuts. They realized this was such a popular size knife that it's very comfortable for most people. And if you have large size hands, you have plenty of room. It has great ergonomics. You can choke up. You can do all your everyday carry tasks with the CJRB Pyrite. I think they were very smart by adding all these new variations. This is the OD green, and now you can get the pink. And by the way, you can also get either version blade in either the PVD coated or in the satin. I know there's some folks that don't like coated and there's some folks that don't like satin. So they were very smart by adding all the different variations. It's hard to please knife nuts, I'm telling you right now, but this is one of the ones. This is a great everyday carry gift knife, and Mrs. Beez, I think she will like this one. I'm probably going to put a little dye job on this, and I can't remember what color you add with this to make more of a purple. I think maybe that's gonna be blue. I'm really bad at the color wheel, but I think she would really like this in a purple. But the button lock works so fantastically well. It's a flawless knife, especially for the price point. These you can get for like 49 bucks. They're on sale on the website, and I will have a link in the description and in the top pinned comment section of the video, just like I always do in all my videos. And something else that I got excited about when I opened this box is, check it out. You could get some micarta. Love me some micarta, and it is good micarta. I really like the feel of it. You can get green or black micarta, and I'm pretty sure you can get the PVD or the stonewash blade. Now here is a version of the stonewash, so that's just another example. You could get the satin blades, stonewash blades, or the PVD coated. See, every time I turn around, there's another version or another option. This one's the modified Wharncliffe look, and I really like the stonewash. I dig it. And by the way, if I didn't mention, they also have several versions with S90V blade steel, which is very, very impressive. So if you like to up your game or you're a little farther along in your knife collecting and you want to get some premium steel, you could get S90V. And the 4th one to show you today is this one right here. Check it out. Anodized titanium, and this one has the Damascus. Would you look at it? Just look at it in all of its Damascusness. You could get the Damascus version with the titanium in the rose gold or rose gold. It's the rose color. It's not rose gold. Rose, green, blue, gray. Like this right here is just a tiny example. There's so many different colors and variations. I couldn't possibly spend one video showing you because I would run out of time and you would get bored with it, because you can just go and choose your color, choose your blade style, choose your blade steel. And if I'm telling you right now, if somebody has a birthday or there's a special occasion coming up and you want to get somebody a knife that they're going to be able to use, that's easy to use, It's a likable knife for beginners or for people that are knife aficionados or knife enthusiasts. It's just that good. With the reversible pocket clip and the button lock, you just can't go wrong. It's that fantastic. I don't have anything to really nitpick about it. You know, the fit and the finish on all of these that I've received, they're all good. They're all solid. They all work very well. There's no grit, no grime. They just don't leave me wanting much more other than, you know, oh, I have another idea for another version or another inlay or something like that. But the micarta, this really, I love micarta. So this got me excited about micarta. And if you want to make the micarta darker, you could get just a dab on the end of your finger of mineral oil and wipe it in there and it will become really dark green. It'll be more darker colored, more like this, or more deep. It's a more deep color. Here's an example. It'll look like that and be nice and dark. All of these versions are on sale on their website. I have the link below in the comments and all that good stuff. Tell me what you think about the Pyrites. Do you have a Pyrite? Do you have a couple Pyrites? Do you have 2 or 3 Pyrites? A lot of people have this knife because it's that good. I'll be looking forward to your comments and I'll be looking forward to seeing you at the live stream every Friday night, Beez Blades live at the Hive. All right. Subscribe and you'll be notified a half an hour before the live stream starts if you hit notifications. Go watch this video. You're really going to enjoy that. And until I see you again in the chats or the comments or at the Hive stream, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.